Here, at the Northwest Housing Association, we believe there's an approach to homeownership that tells a different story. Instead of building a neighborhood full of isolated McMansions that are out of budget for most Washingtonians, the developers behind Lavender Meadows delivered on a vision that exemplifies what the future of affordable housing could look like across the region. Thoughtfully connected, low-maintenance neighborhoods with amenities that residents use daily. With multiple dog parks, pickleball and bocce ball courts, pocket parks, horseshoe pits, mountain views, and a modern clubhouse that encourages an active and close-knit lifestyle, Lavender Meadows' focus on shared resources and outdoor spaces makes it the sort of community that's both aspirational and wallet-friendly. The possibilities that spring from communities like Lavender Meadows are limitless, and reimagine the future of housing as not just accessible, but truly a dream come true for homeowners. Let's work together to create more manufactured home communities that ensure Washingtonians are able to access the lifestyle they deserve.